Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel app Capstone IntroAssessment Travel. In its project description, you are considering several cities for a vacation. In particular, you are interested in Washington DC, Philadelphia, and Boston. You will format a list of memorial in DC and add sparkling to compare the number of visitors over a 15-year period and create a bar chart to illustrate annual visitor at each memorial. In addition, you will create a table of sightseeing location and sort and filter the table. Apply conditional formatting and add a total row to display every time needed to spend at the each memorial. Finally, you will complete a worksheet by adding formula to compare estimated major expense for each city. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Exp19 Excel app Capstone Intro Assessment Travel. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded this file. That's our file. So we will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. So we will move to now our second step. On the DC worksheet, check the spelling and correct all misspelled work. So we will go to the DC's, that's our DC worksheet. We will just press F7 to check the misspelled work. So do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the video? You will press yes. So hit it's get misspelled work. You will change this one by one and spell check OK. So you are good to go. That's now completed. That's our second step. Our third step is on the DC worksheet, select the range A4 to G4, apply wrap text, apply center alignment and apply blue S and 5 lighter 16 fill color. We will select A4 to G4, that is our cell A4 to G4. We need to apply wrap text and center alignment, that's our center alignment, and what he is saying, and apply blue S and 5 lighter 60 fill color. So we will go fill color as a blue S and 5 lighter 60, blue S and 1 lighter 60, blue S and 5. So we will go and find the blue S and 5 lighter 60. So that's our blue S and 5 lighter 60. We will apply this. That's our third step. Our fourth step is on the DC worksheet, merge and center the title on the in the range A1 to G1. So we will select A1 to G1 and apply merge and center. What is saying? Apply blue S and 5 cell style. So we need to apply cell style blue S and 5 cell style, that is our blue S and 5 cell style, and apply bold the title. So we need to bold the title. That's bold now. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is on the DC worksheet, change the width of the column A to 34. So we will select the column A and column width we will change it to 34 and press OK. So that's our fifth step. On the sixth step, on the DC worksheet, select the range C5 to F10. So we need to C5 to F10. We need to select C5 to F10. That's our C5 to F10. And insert line spark line in the range G5 to G10. So we will go to the insert tab, and here in the line we will go to the line spark line, and in the range G5 to G10 we will insert line spark line. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is on the DC worksheet, select the range G5 to G10, display the high point sparkline marker. It's selected. We need to select high point marker. That's high point marker. And change the color of the high point marker to dark red. So we will change the color to high point marker to dark red. That's our dark red color we have applied. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is on the DC worksheet, select the range G5 to G10. Apply same for all sparkline, both the vertical axis and maximum value. So we will go select the G5 to G10. We have selected the G5 to G10, and what he is saying, apply same for all sparkline for both the vertical axis minimum and maximum value. So we will go to the axis here. We will apply same for all sparklines. You see what is he saying? Same for all work side, vertical axis minimum value also, and vertical axis maximum value also. That's one. Like that we have applied both same for normal spark line. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step is on the DC worksheet, select the range A4 to A10 and C4 to F10. We need to select A4 to A10. That is our cell A4 to A10 and C4 to F10. We will press Control button and we will select C4 to F10. And what we need to do now, and create a clustered bar chart. So we will go to insert and go to the recommended charts, and that is our clustered bar chart. We will press OK. And what is he saying? Apply monochromatic PT12 chart color. That is our chart color. Monochromatic 12 PT12 chart color. That's our monochromatic PT12 chart color. Apply the gradient fill to the chart area. Do not change the, so we will select the chart area. We will go to the chart area. That's our chart area. We need to apply gradient fill and make it a default gradient fill. That's our default gradient fill. That's our ninth step. Our eighth step is cut the chart and paste in the cell A13. So we will cut the chart by pressing Ctrl X and paste it in the cell A13 by pressing Ctrl V. Change the chart height to 6 and chart width to 7. So we will go to the chart format and change its height to 6 and width to 7, and apply all text. This one, copy this and apply the all text. This one applied. We need to add the alt text view. In the view and alt text, you will go and paste this one as alt text. That's our 10 steps. We have total 28 steps of this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thank you.